Welcome back. I've got Jasmine Kyle from the SEK Humane Society in studio again with us this morning, and you guys are gearing up for your biggest fundraiser of the year.
Oh yeah, it's game time officially. So we are just 2 weeks away from our largest fundraiser that we do every year, and that is our 45th annual chili dinner event. So we haven't been able to have it due to the pandemic for quite some time, so we're finally gearing up to bring this event back. For the community that doesn't or has never heard about it before, we cook almost 500 pounds of chili from scratch. The meat we get locally, the seasonings, the ingredients, everything is cooked. So the event is on Super Bowl Sunday, of course, at the Memorial Auditorium from noon to 3. And for the first time ever, we are doing an all drive-through system. There is no indoor dining. There are no tickets this year. You just pull up in your car, you'll pay through our little gate system. We will have 2 to 3 lanes with cash, check, and card. You pull on up. We're doing 2 things this year. We'll have our quarts as always, and that way you can buy 1 or 2 quarts and you can bring them back for your chili bowl game. That way you don't have to cook. It's amazing chili, to be honest.
Hey, we're planning your food for you.
Exactly.
You don't have to do the work.
Yeah, you can make it easy. You don't have to cook, and you're supporting our fur babies because 100% of the profits from this event go back to our organization to help pay for medical bills, to pay for utilities, to pay for special medical food for animals that come in. This is a huge fundraiser for us, and it's also one of our funnest, but with a fundraiser this large requires a lot of hands. So right now we need volunteers, we need help. We are needing right now, as of today, around 30 people, but it isn't a giant long day commitment. We have about 70% of our volunteer posts are only an hour. So if you can come for an hour, Saturday or Sunday in particularly, to come help us deliver out some amazing chili and to support some canines and felines that would really need it, we would really appreciate the support.
And I just checked with Michael. We're looking at seasonable temperatures for that day, so it's drive-through style. So even if you're helping out in the lines in the delivery party, you're not going to be standing out there in 3-degree weather. So that's nice. But it's still going to be cool enough to want to eat that chili.
I think Michael said a good thing of there is no specific weather where you can't have chili.
Yeah, so he likes it in 90-degree weather, but yeah. So how do you sign up to volunteer?
Just head on over to our Facebook page, and there is my email link, or you can head on over to our website and enroll into our volunteer program. Right now, we are immediately emailing new signees up with our upcoming volunteer opportunities for the chili feed.
And you don't have to pre-order this chili. You can just show up and pick it up that day.
Exactly. Yeah, we are not doing tickets this year. It's just you come, you get in line, and then we will fill your car up. For the last 3 years of the event, we have sold out. So we do recommend that you get there. It's from noon to 3. The closest you get to noon, the better if you are really not wanting to cook or you want some of that delicious, famous chili that we make.
Okay, and there's the quart options, but you could get like a meal option too?
Yeah, we also have a little dinner meal set where you get a bowl of chili, you'll get crackers, you'll get a dessert item. We have about 60 to 70 bakers that are all volunteering right now, and they are doing brownies for the event. And then you'll also get a drink of your choice that we have available.
Okay, well that's awesome. You got your days set for sure.
Yeah.
And of course, while you're online, check out the pictures of all of those dogs that are, and cats and animals that are available for adoption.
Yeah, please. We got lots of them in the shelter right now, and still a good majority of them are sponsored. We offer foster to adopt cases. So if you're a little hesitant and want more time with an animal, contact us. We will absolutely make that work as long as you are within our foster guidelines with the Kansas Department of Ag.
Okay, you can find more information about that online as well. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you guys.
Good luck with your big event coming up.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back.